Well, if you live by the sword, you die by the sword. So if you believe in the American system of justice, then you have to accept it when it cuts both ways. The most important thing to accomplish was to get Paul held responsible, and that was done. Had it been reversed and Paul had been acquitted and Ruben convicted, there wouldn't be a great deal of joy or happiness. So I don't understand how that jury would have come to that conclusion with the blood evidence and the other circumstantial evidence. But it's kind of an example of why you never count your chickens until they hatch. You wait until the jury has decided. Each jury is a unique combination of people. One jury looked at the evidence and convicted Paul of first-degree murder. It seems obvious and apparent that Ruben did have the body on his property for a long period of time and moved it. There still remains a civil lawsuit against Ruben. As far as Paul is concerned, he's basically convicted by virtue of the first-degree murder charge. So, cuts both ways. Justice has prevailed today in the most important way it needed to, and that is to find Paul guilty.
Got it. You said that you have met Ruben Flores before and you're happy that he did not get convicted. Can you explain that a little bit?
Well, I knew who he was, of course, and he was just a really nice man. We discussed quit smoking, and he went out and bought these little cinnamon chips to help me quit smoking, and we'd have nice conversations. He's just a real sweetheart, so I'm very happy with that verdict. I'm glad that the parents can be put to rest. That's a long time.
26 years, yeah.
Yeah, and it must have been agonizing for him, but I'm glad it's over with, and I'm happy Ruben's cleared.
Well, can you tell me about the dog handling aspect of this?
Yes, I've trained dogs in nose work, and I felt that they could have done better in interviewing them and the answers they got from them. I think that might have made a big difference in the Ruben Flores case.
Yeah? How do you think it would have impacted the case?
I think that they might have found a guilty verdict.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Dogs don't have an agenda, and dogs don't lie.
So.
Yeah, when you're training your dogs, you're taught, trust your dog. So, when they were talking about the change of behavior and the fish hooks and all that, that is absolutely what the dogs do, and you learn to read them. The dogs are telling you in their own way what's going on.